Welcome to this geometric art tutorial. Grab an A3 paper and let's get started. Using an HB pencil, locate the center point, which we'll call K, on the vertical line. Now, mark points T and B, 11.25 centimeters above and below K, and point C, 15 centimeters below T. Time to lay the foundation. Position your technical compass at point C. Draw an arc with a 15 centimeter radius, intersecting at point T. Now, using the same compass, mark 2 points on each side of the circle from T. Let's call these points R and L for right and left. Precision is key. Confirm that all sides measure 26 centimeters to ensure the accuracy of your triangle. Get ready to bring your design to life. Connect points T, R, and L using a 0.8 mm technical pen, forming the equilateral triangle. Once done, erase the initial pencil marks. Hey, fellow artists! If you're enjoying this geometric art journey and want more creative inspiration, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Join the Artist family, and let's explore the world of art together. Don't miss out on future tutorials, showcases, and community spotlights. Let's plan ahead. With an HB pencil, mark every 5 mm along all 3 sides of the triangle. This will guide our future connections. While you're perfecting your triangle, let's shine a spotlight on some incredible creations from the art is community. Check out these amazing interpretations of geometric art. Remember, your art might be featured in our next community showcase. Tag us on Instagram or use #artistcreation to be part of the spotlight. Now comes the intricate part. Connect points D to F and G to H, and continue linking marked points, shifting 1 point aside for each connection. As you connect those precise lines, let's delve into the magic of geometric art. The symmetry, balance, and precision create a visual language that resonates with the mind. It's not just lines and shapes, it's a conversation between form and function. Feel free to share your thoughts on the beauty of geometry in the comments. Repeat this process for the other half of the triangle. Stay connected with artists beyond this video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for sneak peeks, behind the scenes, and community updates. It's a great way to be part of a supportive artistic community. Links are in the description below. We're almost there. Erase all the pencil marks, leaving behind only the clean lines of your geometric masterpiece. Before we wrap up, a massive thank you to each one of you who contribute to the artist community. Whether you're creating, commenting, or simply enjoying the content, you're an essential part of this creative space. Let's keep making art and inspiring each other. Until next time, stay creative.